Today, I'm gonna be fixing this smashed iPhone. The problem is that, as broken as it is, there are high chances that this attempt will fail. But there is only one way to find out, so let's get to work. At the first test, it seems that the phone turns on and does not have any functional problems. It does not present system errors or notifications. So, let's start. You may be wondering if the chassis can still be saved or which parts would require repair to have a functional and good-looking phone again. I will present you in a few steps the whole process, which is as satisfying as a Lego. The internal parts that require disassembly are the main camera, battery, the Face ID module with the front camera, and, the most important component, the motherboard. These are the disassembled parts, and we are going to move to the second step of this process. The housing can no longer be saved because it is crushed and broken, so a new one will be needed, which I have prepared. The color is different, but it is not a bad choice. This new housing is original and comes with all the flexes installed. The previously disassembled components are to be assembled, a very quick and easy process. And now, let me show you the final result. The phone works perfectly, and, due to the fact that it has been restored, its lifespan is extended by at least 2 years. The process was successful and the new owner will enjoy this phone. Thanks for watching.